Imagine a 30,000 years ago when adventurous souls first set foot on what would become Japan. Back then, the landscapers was vastly different, with the main island linked to Siberia and Korea by natural bridges of dry land. Picture those ancient travelers crossing those land bridges on foot, forging path through a world untouched by modern borders. Fast forward to 12,000 years ago, the vibrant heartbeat of civilization brings to pulse in Japan with the emergence of the Jomon culture. There was a society woven into the fabric of nature, crafting intricate pottery and embarrassing a way of life that harmonized with the land around them. The journey from those early footsteppers to the flourishing Jomon culture is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a testament of human ingenuity, reliance, and timeless allure of Japan's rich history and heritage. Fact number 1. Long life. Japan boasts the world's highest life expectancy, with women living an average of 87.32 years and men 81.25 years. This remarkable longevity reflects a society where health and well-being are deeply valued. What's even more fascinating is how the Japanese are continuously pushing their boundaries of aging. In 2019, over 2.31 million Japanese were aged 90 or older, more over than 71,000 celebrating their 100th birthday, a treatment to not just longer lives but fuller ones too. Fact number 2. Japan's population. As of Monday, April 29, 2024, Japan's population stands at 122 million according to Worldometer elaboration of the latest United Nations data. This figure reflects the ongoing dynamics of Japan's demographics landscape, including its aging population of the challenges and opportunities that come with it. Fact number 3. Japan's anime. Anime from Japan enjoys immense popularity globally, attracting a dedicated and passionate fan base across diverse age groups and cultures. Its appeal stems from a rich tapestry of genres, captivating narratives, district artistry, and memorable characters. Iconic series such as Naruto, Dragon Ball, One Piece, and Attack on Titans have generated worldwide acclaim, boosting millions of loyal fans who eagerly consume and celebrate their captivating form of entertainment. Fact number 4. Japan development. Japan's rapid development began after World War II, driven by strategic policies, industrial reforms, and foreign investments. The post-war reconstruction period and the subsequent high economic growth era 1950s to 1970s propelled Japan into an export-oriented powerhouse. Technological advancements, strong work ethics, and a focus on quality and innovation further fueled its growth, leading to global competitiveness by the 1950s. Social cohesion, education emphasis, and government industry collaborates also played crucial role in Japan's fast-paced development, establishing it as a leading global economy. Fact number 5. Red light districts. Established in 1670s, Yoshiwara stood as one of the Japan's three licensed and prominent red light districts, sanctioned by the Tokugawa shogunate during the early 17th century. Alongside Shimabara in Kyoto, established in 1640, and Shinmachi in Osaka. These districts played significant roles in the social and cultural fabric of their respective regions during that era. So here you have it. Now you know the 5 interesting facts about Japan. Let me know if you have any other country in your mind. See you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care, keep smiling, tata, bye bye.